Hello friends, welcome back to the mini video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Oppo phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to fix color correction on Oppo mobile. Friends, you don't know about color correction, and friends you can see your phone icon color, and friends your skin color has changed on your Oppo phone device. So how to fix color correction on Oppo phone today friends I am going to show you in this video. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon and like the video guys. Friends, open your phone setting to fix color correction. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface on your Oppo phone device. So guys, you can fix your color correction from your additional setting. Friends, on your additional setting, after on additional setting friends, you can see language, date and time and keyboard setting, accessibility setting. Friends, click on accessibility setting. Friends, you want to on talkback, you want to use talkback on your Oppo phone device. Friends, you can on talkback from here and you can use. Friends, click here and friends you will have to give permission, allow, then friends you can use talkback. So friends, scroll it. Friends, you want to on friends your magnification shortcut settings, you can on your magnification shortcut. Friends, click on color correction. Friends, by mistake you have on this setting, so you will have to off and guess your problem will solve. Friends, you can see your phone screen color, your phone icon color will default, your problem will solve on your device. So we call it color correction. So like that friends, you can solve and you can fix your color correction problem on your Oppo phone device. And friends, you want to use your color correction, so friends now you know about what is color correction, so you can on, and friends you can see again skin color and phone icon color will change. And friends, you want to change your color correction mode, so why you can change from here. Friends, you can see again guys your skin color will change. And friends, there are three modes. Friends, you can see red, green and blue yellow. So guys, we'll click on blue yellow. Friends, you can see blue yellow, so your screen will show this interface on your Oppo phone device. So like that friends, you want to use your color correction settings, so you can use. And friends, you don't know about, so you can fix from your phone setting. And friends, you can fix this problem with shortcut setting also. Direct click on friends search option and when search here COLOR space CORREC. Friends, you can see color correction. Friends, click here. Direct friends, you can fix from here guys, tap here and guys your problem will solve. Friends, you can use your phone icon color, your phone screen color with your default icon color and default screen color. So like that friends, we can solve guys color correction problem on Oppo phone device. So bye guys, thanks for watching the video.